Introduction. Aseel is one of the important indigenous chicken breeds of India and is well known for its pugnacity, majestic gait, agility, high stamina, and dogged fighting qualities. Singh, 2001. The home tract of aseel chickens is the state of Andhra Pradesh. However, the birds are present in parts of other states like Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. The aseel hens are poor layers but have excellent broodiness traits and are quite formidable in the protection of their young ones under free-range conditions. 8 variants of aseel breed were reported in India, of which aseel yellow and aseel black are commonly available. Panda and Mohapatra, 1989. These birds are characterized by their hardiness and ability to thrive under adverse climatic conditions. The productivity is low in aseel chickens, but the birds are known for their meat quality with desirable taste and flavor. Rajkumar Al. 2016. The native chicken meat is known for intense flavor, firm texture, low fat, and rich nutrients. Zhao Al. 2007, Chen Al. 2008. Assessing and documenting the meat quality and its composition, especially proximate composition in aseel, is very important in terms of its nutrient composition and also in consumer interest. Of late, there is growing interest in native chickens among farmers because of their hardiness, ability to thrive under adverse conditions, and the desirable taste and flavor of their eggs and meat. Considerable genetic erosion is occurring because of the introduction of improved hybrid chicken varieties in the breeding tracts of recognized breeds, leading to dilution of genetic purity or replacement of the breeds, which has brought them under threat of extinction. Singh, 2009. The available literature on the morphology, performance, and other parameters of aseel chicken is very limited. Singh Al. 2000 A. B. Mohan Al. 2008. Al. 2011. Further, there is a considerable variation in the growth and production traits of aseel chickens in the published literature. Mohan Al. 2008. Al. 2011. Sarkar Al. 2012. Comprehensive information on characterization of aseel chickens for morphology, growth, and production in a complete laying cycle is essential for planning, management, and conservation of aseel chickens in a sustainable manner. Therefore, the present study was carried out with an aim to conserve and characterize aseel chickens with respect to morphological, growth, production, and meat quality traits. Materials and methods. The study was carried out at the Experimental Poultry Farm of Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Directorate of Poultry Research, ICAR DPR, Hyderabad, India. Hyderabad is located in the Deccan Plateau in the southern part of India, positioned between 17 degrees 23 and 78 degrees 28, at a height of 500 meters above sea level. The region experiences usually a hot and humid tropical climate with maximum temperature ranging from 20 degrees Celsius in winter to 45 degrees Celsius in summer seasons. The experiment was approved by the Institutional Animal Ethics. Experimental population. The aseel chickens were collected from the native breeding tract in Andhra Pradesh, India, for conservation purpose. A total of 313 chicks, produced randomly in the second generation, was utilized for the study. Standard management practices were followed during brooding, growing, and laying stages. The hens were housed in individual cages with dimensions of 19.05 cm width x 38.1 length x 50.8 front height x 45.7 cm back height, and cocks were maintained on deep litter in a backyard type of housing with night shelter and a free-range facility for movement of the birds to retain the original breed characteristics. The birds were maintained on libitum feeding with maize and soya-based diets during the experimental period. The birds were vaccinated against Marek's disease, 1st D, Newcastle disease, Lasota, 7th and 30th D, R2B 9th, inactivated 18th, infectious bursal disease 14th and 26th D, foulpox 6th, and infectious bronchitis 18th. The ambient temperature ranged from 20 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius during the rearing period. Morphology data on physical characters like feather distribution and pattern, comb types, color of the shank, skin, earlobe, eyes, spur, etc., were collected on 236 birds, 116 hens and 120 cocks, at 20 of age as per the standard proforma developed by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources. Growth traits. Body weight was measured in chicks at 1 day old, and 4, 6, 12, and 16 of age on pooled sex, and at 20, 40, 52, 64, and 72 of age on a unisex basis. The corresponding shank lengths were measured until 40 of age. The body weight was measured to 0.1 grams accuracy using digital balance. Production traits. Age at sexual maturity ASM, egg weights at 32, 40, 52, 64, and 72 of age, and part period egg production up to 40, 52, and 64, and annual egg production up to 72 of age were recorded. The weight of eggs was recorded using a digital balance, 0.01 grams accuracy. Meat quality parameters, namely, the proximate composition, pH, and cholesterol content of breast muscle, from 20 aseel cocks slaughtered at 20 of age were evaluated. Moisture, SOX Plus, Model, Pelican Equipments, Chennai, India. Fat, Protein, Kel Plus, Model 6 Kenyan Shillings L, Pelican Equipments, Chennai, India, and ash contents of the meat were determined as per procedures of AOAC 1995. Cholesterol content of the muscle was estimated by the Zaxon method. pH. The pH of meat was determined as per AOAC 1995.